Got your old racing jacket.
Well, you've got yours, so
We're matching.
we can look good, aren't we?
Oh, Jolly and Dustin.
Hang on, look at that, look. It could be 1995.
Yeah, good.
Going racing, it's exactly the same.
Right, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we're here at Foxhills for the Vets Destinations. Jolene's racing. It's currently Friday. Yeah, we arrived here yesterday, and Jolene is just trying to get his bike sorted. We were meant to be riding last year, knocked himself out and he couldn't, but now he's back for redemption. Last year he was meant to be riding an 88, but this year he's got a 96 CR250, where he won the Eastern Centre Championship on, did a couple of the British Championships.
Don't get his ego going. Rushed out and bought it Thursday.
You haven't even had this bike for a week. Haven't you got the numbers on it?
No, we've got the numbers coming. We're doing the numbers now.
Victoria's just put them on backwards. Who?
Gears coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
Riding gear.
I've lent you a couple of my helmets.
Yeah, Louis lent me goggles and hat.
What goggles, Jolene, are you using? Are they them amazing rip and rolls?
I don't know, skiing goggles, I think. Yeah. Done 4 10-minute sessions in a year.
Yeah.
It's going to end well, isn't it?
It's going to be brilliant.
Numbers out.
Jolene's numbers didn't arrive, so Alex is just putting some green vinyl for the background. Victoria's been doing the numbers, and
Taking numbers, we're having to cut them, look, hand cut them. Like the old days.
and done them backwards.
Like the 60s.
Progress is being made.
Tell you what, free-handed.
Oh,
Wait, Jolene.
The same race.
You've been left to do this side. What are you doing on this side?
Huh?
You made a bit of a mess this side, it looks.
No?
You were on a KTM 250 two-stroke.
Why don't you just go and buy another whole sheet?
Well, it's on, look.
Let's have a look.
He's duct taping,
half an hour.
he's duct taped bit and bits off.
Look, this is how it was done.
Gonna show them your old number plate. That hasn't been used since you last rode it. Who were you lined up with when you last used
I
that?
don't know, some goat.
Of course, Stefan. Right, so just gonna walk into the main area, get some food, give myself a little hog roast because I haven't eaten anything for about a day, so I am starving. These are the bikes Trevor's built for Carl and Nan this weekend. Too nice to ride. Stan has done a beautiful job. Got 2 identicals. CR125s. Oh, everything's just brand new.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so.
Got your first beer, mate?
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Just came scrutineering. We've got to wait till 2 o'clock. They've shut it for an hour, so just gonna wait around with Mr. Buckley.
And then we're going to start getting some rosettes on the bikes. So you'll start.
We got the whole setup in here. Representing
7 Hills Factor boy Jason Dutton. Getting some beers down with us, listening to some music, getting ready to maybe walk the track later. But yeah, not much going on today, so maybe doing much more. We don't know, we'll see what the day.
just going with the flow.
Yeah, no riding today, so might as well just get power lessons if we can.
It's tomorrow, not today. I'm even borrowing tomorrow, your laptop. No, I'm watching this tomorrow.
3 o'clock.
Yeah, 3 o'clock tomorrow.
Right, so I'm on the other camera now. Just about to head into the beer tent, having some pre-drinks before we go in there. And yeah, it's going to be a good night, I think. Not too sure how busy it's going to be. Still haven't had dinner. It's about, I don't know, 8 o'clock, so heading off in a bit. Get myself a hog roast. Going there for a few pints, see if there's any music or anything. And yeah, then tomorrow it's race day.
Let's get going, boys.
Everyone's excited.
saying, Louis?
Good. Finished the night out.
Had a good night?
Now we're ready for tomorrow.
Ready for bed? Alright, we'll see you guys in the morning.
I'm going to bed, so.
Right, so at the minute we're just waiting for Jolene to go out, walking around, having a look at the races. No, looking at people qualify. Yeah, just watching at the minute. Right, it's Jolene and Trevor's class now, the over 50s. Now let's try and find them.
Roadblock and wanker, didn't I?
Oh, you rode it right. You see that step up, you can have that easy. Right, so Johnny's just come in from his qualifying, got 10th. So yeah, we're just walking back to go see him. How do you feel after that?
Well,
9th.
yeah, I'll take that.
You thought you...
I didn't want to do that uphill double, but I had to. I
Yeah.
love this tabletop here.
We can really see there's a tree in the way.
No, the one by the finish.
The big one up the hill.
Yeah. But you told me it was easy, so I just had to hit it.
Yeah. I think we can see in the camera, but yeah, done well.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Everybody said 20th.
20. I'd have been 10 seconds quicker back in the day, but I didn't feel very quick.
You're not?
No. I felt slow, I couldn't stand up.
What about the bike? How's the bike?
Clutch has come right in, back brake don't work.
Ooh, you're hard, showing off.
Jolene, getting ready?
I thought I said take my labels off.
Nah, labels look better on. Right, Jolene's just heading down for his first race. It's going to be good, had a bit of rain. I think the track will be prime.
Well, didn't he? He was third and he got back to
Right, time to watch the main race. Elliot's first race, Jolin's coming to watch. Getting some few tips. How do you feel after that first race?
Did you film any of my race?
Got loads.
Good. Knackered. Back hurts.
Broken lever.
Broken lever. Broken muscles.
But you feel ready for the
rubbish.
Ready for the second one?
Yeah.
Done well though.
Well,
Dead last to 13th.
Yeah.
Pulled through.
So right, just a shit start again. Did you get a good start? Not the second one. Yeah, I did. Did you? Yeah, I got a
You got a good
start.
jump, but crashed.
Coming out of there, third or fourth.
Just come down to watch Elliot's race, the main race. I think he's out 8th at the minute. Well, we're just getting ready for Jolin's second race of the day, last race. It's going to be a good race. Very wet though still, but we go. It'll be good, it'll be good. Are you ready to watch your daddy race? Daddy race. Daddy granddad race.
Granddad's race.
Granddad's race. Oh, there he is.
Good point. Big battle coming on for the third between Ryan Hunt and Ryan Wheeler. And we've got a red flag situation.
Red flag again.
We've got an injury.
We're not sure where it is though.
Now,
Elliot, come on!
Jolene's just had a shower. Oh,
I've had a shower. I'm just waiting because the water's cold.
You look so cute there.
Oh, it's cold.
oh! Right, it's night time. Time's going to the beer festival. 7 Hills jacket, JBR jacket. I've got my 7 Hills jacket on. Let's get on.
I want to hear you sing, Foxhill. Are you ready? Is that 1, 2, 3, go, Jolene. I'm picking up you, please don't take on me. And again, Jolene. Streets back, you're right. Come on, man. Sing. I'm coming out of my cage and I'll be doing just fine. Gonna be.
Say what?
One more.
Oh, all right then.
Well job.
It's flying around in ecstasy, so
Okay, give me a
I'm washing her face.
Lord, you can't be in bed. Where's Leo?
He's in my car asleep.
Oh my days, you two are such lightweights.
Oh, it stinks of petrol now.
You two are real lightweights.
I
You should be
slept on the
out
fucking
socialising with us.
last night.
I've travelled.
and the night
I
before.
never come motocross ever.
Whoa.
Do I, Jane?
Why would you want to film me in bed?
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Well, I'll be if I go to bed, yeah.
Oh, Charlie and Jolene, ready for bed? Right, it's now the next day, final day of Foxhills. Day 3. We're going to go walk over to the track, film some other races, I think, watch some of that. And Jordan is heading out for his first race of the day. So, yeah. Morning, Rowan. Very nice. You ready for your race? Nervous?
Crash bad. It's his friend, they ran out and stopped. Oh, was it
We've lost Jolien, can't find him.
His bike's not broke.
I think Jolien's bike has blown up, so... Right, so in that race, Jolien's bike I think did end up blowing up, but I decided to come into the paddock with Elliot quickly before he heads out to his race. But we've just had a massive rainstorm, so yeah.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
so at the end of that race, Elliot ended up crashing off the start. I don't know if it was my brand who he collided with. A bit of a shame. Tommy ended up winning it. Heading back now to see what Jolie's going to say about his bike. I'm not 100% sure if it was blown up, but he was dragging it off the track, so it can't be good. Right, what happened in that race?
Seized up.
Bike seized.
Seized up. Half a lap to go.
Oh! Chimpanzee that! Monkey news, you fucking...
7.
Would have been your best result.
Best result, yeah.
And you decided to nip up.
Yeah, I was lucky.
At least it wasn't. Yeah, at least it wasn't down the hill or over a jump.
Yeah, I'd have crashed it. I have been offered a bike, but
Trevor's.
Yeah, I probably should ride it. And I broke down in the valley, and apparently you were one side and everyone else the other side, and no one came down to push back.
Yeah, today was a bit unfortunate. We didn't have as good a day as yesterday. Crashed on a start with Tommy. Not with Tommy, but he come across me a bit, and I got a bad start. So run the back of him, and when I got up, I could feel something wrong with the bike. I come through alright actually, to be fair. I think probably would have got back top 10, 15 maybe, and then a few laps ago my stem broke on the bike, so the old bike broke. So got to go out on the 250 two-stroke in the next one. So race 4, so hopefully get a good start on that. Try and get up front, see what we can do on that. It's cool yesterday. It'd be awesome to win. So. Again, like yesterday, the crowd was just mental. Like I could see everyone cheering and hanging over the fence, which was cool. So yeah, gonna try and have another go on the last one, a bit more of that, and try and get a race win.
Oh, it's completely seized. Bike's all packed up. It's the end for Jojo. Right, just about to watch Elliot's race. It's the last race of the day. It's gonna be good.
Oh no! Fallen. Robertson.
He's way back.
Coming through next, then it's Tommy Searle, then it's Brad Anderson. Then Neville Bradshaw on the number 9 going through. Mel Pocock on the 6. Look at the crowd again on the veranda. They're all packed in their arms and banners waving. Programs being waved. The crowd have been set alight here at last at Foxhills. Elliot Banks Brown on the 25, out on the 250 this time. They're waving arms and clapping their hands as these riders come through. Tommy Searle looking in devastating form out there, but Barbara's jet is just going. He's gone. Still chasing, so Tommy Searle. Tommy Searle now closing the gap on Mackenzie. So into this left-hander as Tommy Searle. Look at him, he's closed right down on him. As they law, sorry, Rog. Anderson all over the back. Oh, Graham Irwin. Irwin left so far down into the valley. Oh, nearly clashed there. Brad had to anchor up so hard he would have run in the back of him. Round the right-hand turn, Mackenzie wheelies out of that turn, hits the drive to the back wheel. The front end came up, he kept it under control, and he did not faffing around with whips or anything. He's so focused on getting that. Hard landing there. All right, Brad Anderson's looking to make a move as well. But he's done a 2:22. Dead there, ladies and gentlemen. Get behind Tommy, everybody. Come on. He's going to respond to this. He can do it. He can do it. Billy Mackenzie 3, Elliot Banks Brown. Searle as they go through the valley. Searle is charging. He is faster. Banks Brown is right on the back. Wheel of Mackenzie now. Mackenzie looks across and just rides him out. Neatly rode EBB out. It was last time. But we've only got another lap to go, I think. Oh, here we go. Banks Brown and Billy Mackenzie down for going for the same piece of land. Oh, they touched bikes there. That was close. Oh my word, you can see Billy had to turn into him just to stay on. Into that right-hand turn, he goes on that Kawasaki there. Anderson 3, so Brad is having his best ride of the day in good...
I had fun on that.
Last race go.
Yeah, last race was alright. I had to go out on a 250 because I borrowed a bike, so I borrowed Burton's bike. And, so I went out on 250 and luckily we got a sighting lap because I was shitting it because we weren't going to get a sighting lap, and then we got a sighting lap, so I sort of knew I was alright on it, and then got a horrendous start. And then I don't know, I was probably 15th, 16th, and I come through to 4th, which is good.
Right, so I've just finished in this video. I came back last night, went straight to bed, woke up in the morning, decided, let's get this video out for all of you guys to see what an awesome weekend this was. I've just realised while editing this, the interview with Elliot, my SD card got full up and it did cut off halfway through the video. But at least you've got a bit of an insight what it was like in the last race. But thank you to Dave King and Doc Wobb for putting on this whole event. It was such an awesome event. And hopefully next year, me and Alex and James will be racing it. So fingers crossed. But yeah, what an awesome weekend. Well done to everybody who rode. It was an awesome weekend. Absolutely loved it. And if you're still watching to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching it. Comment down below what was your favourite part of the video and if you were there. And guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!